Yes, as many as 10 wickets fell yesterday, and 9 of them going to the seamers. And there are more than one factor to that. A, being the brilliance of these three seamers, Ahmad Butt, Ali Raza, and Shoaib Akhtar Jr. They use these conditions to their best. And if you look at these conditions, it's all green. And what they did was use the length perfectly. I want you to have a look at this length that they've used yesterday. They've been on target. They've been where they need to be on this such surface, hitting the right areas again and again, continuously and consistently. And that is the reason they've been very successful in the game yesterday on day one. Well, day two, sun is out, it's bright, it's sunny, and I've got Salman Butt alongside me, the former captain. He's all equipped. He's going to tell us what should be done today and what is going to happen and what batters need to do. Salman?
Thank you, Ali. Well, I guess the lengths would be very important
Yeah.
as far as the bowling is concerned. And so to pick up the length and to play accordingly is very important for the batter as well. So this is kind of a safe zone behind this yellow. From us till yellow cone is a drivable length, but driving under your eyes, keeping it closer to your body is the key for the batters. The moment you go beyond this yellow cone till the red cone, from that crease becomes a bit of a vulnerable area where you would like to avoid driving the ball, play closer to the body. Do not think about, forcing the issue on such a length. But yes, if you go beyond this length, this red cone to green, this is an area which can be a scoring zone for the batters where the back foot adjustment can be made. Because the pitch is slow, it gives you time to play off the back foot, and that might be your scoring zone. And behind that is a no-go for the bowlers because it's too slow from the middle, and the batters get too much time to just rock back and pull it. It's asking to be hit. So these are the three zones, and I think for the bowlers, the key would be to make the batters play. Remember, it's a new ball, just 2 hours old, and they have only 258 runs, which they are quite happy with last night. But bowling in the right channels would be the way to go.
Right. Salman Bhat says, be in the right areas, and that is a no-go area. This is where the bowlers need to be, and this is where the batters will find the area to score some runs. So sit back, enjoy some quality first-class cricket action coming your way.